possible for transformation job applying shared jobs concept. In that
Yes.
case, like how can we achieve?
Sorry, can you come again? I didn't get you actually.
What I'm saying actually, I have a requirement. For one of the column, I need to maintain one of the standardized transformation. One of the column, I need to apply for every job.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that column will be available, like it can be used for every job. So I need to apply like reusability concept of thing. So it is
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
possible. As
So yeah, the shared job is not for transforming or or for any common transformation applying there, right? But you will need to have some common component there. Okay. So whatever the common component that you feel that you can convert that to a shared jobs, right? The way here, let's say this is my common, you can say functionality, right? Not, it is not on, specific transformation, but any common functionality. So you need to do.
yeah, agree,
Let's
agree,
say,
agree. Same thing. I am taking into transformation thing.
yeah,
Agree.
yeah.
Like normally that also
No, so in
possible, right?
transformation job, you cannot include any of the shared job. You see, if you open the transformation job, here you will see no orchestration job to open. So the
That is the
shared job,
problem. Yeah.
yeah, the shared job can be only available in the orchestration job. Okay.
Yeah, as you know, in ETL, like it is possible, like we can define any job as a shared job for reusability only. The main concept is, yeah, we
Correct.
need to like instead of coding new job,
Reusable.
thing we
Yeah.
can use like existing job as a reusable job, right?
Correct. Correct.
But as you
Correct.
said, it is not possible in transformation kind of
Yeah.
reaching transformations.
Yes. Now let's say if you have some requirement like whenever you process any transformation job, you need to do some post processing, right? Let's say you need to take the count from those table and that then insert into some different table like that. So that job you can create and just write a kind of an insert statement, right? Like insert into that your count table and take the data, select count of star from that table. So what you can do in that case, you can transfer one variable from parent job, okay, which is table name, right? So what you will do, select count of star from that variable, that table name. So that same job can be used across multiple jobs whenever you call any transformation job, right? So that way we can do that. Okay. Yeah. Any more question on this? Hmm? So always remember, in if you have any common functionality, you can convert that to a common job. Okay. But having said that, only orchestration job can be converted if you have certain common job which is written as a transformation job, then what you will have to do is you will have to create another orchestration job, include that transformation job in that orchestration job, and then convert that orchestration job to a shared job. So that is possible. Okay.
As you told, like transformation job can be called by using orchestration job, right?
Yeah. So let's say if I create one orchestration job here, let's say test ORC. Let's say I have some, right. So what I can do, let's say this is my common job, common transformation job, and I'm creating a one orchestration job, and then I can convert this orchestration job to a shared job. That's it. Okay. This is how I need to do it. Yeah. Any more questions?
Yeah, what is a multiple instance here? Like normally shared job is reusable concept. Multiple instance is
Re,
different, right?
yeah, no. So reusable plus shared job. So what would happen now? Since this is our common job, right? So now, if now usually this job will get included in each and every job because this is an audit job,
Yeah.
correct? Right? So it may happen, right? So now this audit job may get called at the same time by multiple jobs.
In that case,
Then
deadlock will be occur.
no. So in that case, no deadlock will be occurred because for shared job, since internally this job will call and this is a shared job, it can run multiple times the same job. But having said that, our usual normal jobs, those can be run only one at a time, and others will be in queue. Okay, right?
As you are saying, like shared job, like it can run
Hmm.
same time for 10 jobs. Like for example, 10 jobs scheduled at the same time.
Same time, yes.
At the time, my shared container, shared job also included in all the 10 jobs.
Yes.
In that case, you mean to say like single job can be executed only sequence wise, but this shared job can be executed like all together, no issues,
Altogether,
no
yeah,
deadlock will
because
occur.
yes, because now if you see, let's say these are two jobs and these two jobs are using same shared job, right? Even if you call these two or hundreds of job at the same time, it can execute this shared job multiple times for multiple jobs and there will not be any deadlock, right?
For example, like if you are using like same tables, by using same job, you are using same table and you are inserting same table. How
Yeah,
come possible?
yeah.
Same
So
with
see,
like
this is my shared job, right? So at then what these two job will do, basically this shared job will insert the entry into this job, right? So while inserting the data, there is no lock on a table, right? So we should be fine, right? So while inserting data, Snowflake doesn't put any lock on the table,
for
so that
updating
should be
table,
fine.
updating table.
No, even that can be done, parallelly because that is handled by completely Snowflake, right? Okay,
Mhm.
yeah. But here the important to know is this shared job will run separately for all these parent job in which this shared job is included, and multiple instances of the same shared job can be run multiple times at the
Is there any
same time.
property to make usage of that property like for example, if it is going to run 10 times also like you don't want to affect anything. Is there any property to define? No, right?
No, no, I don't think so. No, I can call this in any of my job. So there will not be any deadlock, or there will not be, your, let's say, if a particular job is running the same other job, not the shared job, so that will not go in queue. But this job can be run at the same time multiple times. Okay. Yeah. So this is how we can create these shared jobs. Okay. Now, any more question? Okay. Yeah. So do you want to try it now or tomorrow?
Let's do it tomorrow, please. It's 11:15 for me.
Yeah. Sure.
And
Yeah.
Nitin,
So
I'm not able to see all your jobs, Nitin, my Matillion.
yeah. Because as of now, I have not given that access. That's a restricted access that I have, set for that project. I will provide you that access later. Okay.
To go through all the jobs actually.
Yeah. So what happens is like when I do the exercise, so you will just export and import in your project. So the problem is that, you will not do it from scratch. So that is the main thing. And what is
Okay.
the job that I develop? So I take your practice during the training only, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
so if you follow everything, then you will have the same number of jobs which I have. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's practice this tomorrow on the shared job. So we'll try to convert that our audit job, okay, and so we'll try to convert that to a shared jobs, and we'll include that in one or many jobs, okay. Yeah, and for that I think the Redshift one, which I think Ramana, no, I think Sudha was asking. So that is not really possible to cover. But still, if I will check if I can get some code out of that, then I can share with you. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. Thanks, Nitin.
Yeah, I
Actually,
can share.
what I could feel like it is kind of ETL cloud based, right? So we need to know like every cloud source has target, target as source, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Nitin,
Okay.
one, uh, hello.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yeah,
Ramana.
Nitin, one doubt. Let me share my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Can resolve it soon. Okay, if it is not. So before I run this RDS query, right? So I wanted to use some SQL script logic, as we
Mm-hmm.
said, we discussed. Let
Component.
trying to
Uh-huh.
trying
Mm-hmm.
to truncate it because I don't want to
Yes.
recreate the table again and
Recreate
again.
the table.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a very good example that you have taken, and that is what we need to do. Yes, we
and
need to
in the
truncate
same
that.
SQL component, I'm using this insert statement. I mean, it is
Mm-hmm.
showing like I have created SF jobs table
Okay.
in the backend.
Okay.
I'm just trying
Mm-hmm.
to insert some dummy values, hard-coded values. Uh,
What is that
I,
triple one? That is job ID or what?
job ID.
Okay. Now I will just show you. Yes, we can do that. Remove that and use job ID variable. Dollar open curly braces job underscore ID. Yeah. Yeah. Job underscore ID. I think Fahad, you can drop if it's pretty late for you. We're not going to discuss anything else. Yeah. If
Okay.
you feel you can drop. Otherwise, you
Thank
can
you,
stay.
Nitin. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
Should I use this in single quotes or?
No, so since job ID is a numeric, right? So we should not keep it in single quote. If that is an varchar, then we should
Yeah,
keep it in single quote.
I declared it as a
Varchar?
where
Sure, sure. Yeah, we can do that. No issues. No, no. Scroll that stop sharing right towards right. Yeah. Scroll that towards right. The scroll bar. Yeah. Click OK. Hmm.
this is successful even after when
No,
I ran this, right? Hmm.
no. But what error you got earlier? Just show me that error.
Uh, Demo this SF job does not exist or not.
Okay. Go back to your Snowflake workbench.
Yeah, I mean, I have it in the same schema. DemoDB public.
Okay, I think you have created that using account admin
Yeah.
role, but you should
Okay.
create it using sysadmin role.
Sysadmin.
Yes,
Oh,
so
okay.
drop this table first here. You have the DDL right with you, or just get the DDL first and then drop it.
Yeah, I have it. I
Okay,
just created some
yeah,
time back.
right. So drop this table now and create using sysadmin. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Now
so
change your role here on the top. Yeah, you can do that as well. That's fine.
it's admin, right?
Right. Yeah. But that is a very highly privileged role, so you should always go with at least your, not with the account admin, but the
Okay,
sysadmin.
okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Now,
Now
yeah,
create a
it got
table.
changed. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Insert. Do not insert now. Yeah. Now go to Matillion and run it. Yeah. Open your history. Click on that arrow on the right side. Yeah. Open the job. Yeah. Now
Yeah.
go back and check in Snowflake if that history is there. Yeah. Select star.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
So likewise, I can have as many as inserts in here, right? Like I wanted to create one more, like load is, I mean, truncate job is successful, like that, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay,
Anything, whatever you need to fill. Usually, we have in our audit table, history table, the way you created, right? You can add more things, status, start time, end time, everything, right? But usually, within a job, you will have only three, let's say, SQL component for this audit purpose. Okay, I'm saying, okay. First is to insert your audit entry, right? When the job started. Second is to update your audit entry when your job success, right? Because at the end, you need to update that. And third is your failed entry. If your job has failed, then you need to update that to failed, right?
oh, okay.
Okay. But yeah, I will show you how to use that. In the next session we have that part as well to cover.
Sure. I mean, just wanted to check with you. Let's say we have two, three different data hubs, and in
Yes,
between, I can have this as an intermediate data hub, and I can
yes,
have my audit log.
yes, yes. Yeah. Whatever you
Oh,
need to fill, you can use SQL script component to
mhm.
inside that audit log. Having said that, if your audit log is same, because your, let's say if your insert statement is same, what
Yeah.
matters is only job ID. So you
Correct.
can convert that to a shared job the way we did,
Yeah.
right?
Okay.
So tomorrow we'll convert our another job, update job to shared job, and then you will get to know more on that part.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Sure then. I think yeah. Let's meet tomorrow and we'll see some of the later part on shared jobs, and then we'll start with some different topics. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Then yeah. Thank you so much.